Good morning. Good morning from Moraine State Park in Pennsylvania. Yeah, we are here because, why are we here?
Boat party.
Boat party. It's the official launch of the new boat at Moraine State Park. Eurovision.
I'm good.
You need a nap already. And we are excited because we are one of the first people that get to go on the boat for a boat party. All right, we'll show you the inside, show you the outside, because this one's actually covered on 2 stories. And we'll show you a little bit of the gorgeous view from today. So ready? Are you ready? Let's go. The official name hasn't been revealed yet because we are on board before the actual ribbon cutting ceremony. So this is really, really cool. Let's first look at the bottom floor interior.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. How are you? Very well, thank you. We are actually from where Pennsylvania, Ohio, and West Virginia meet.
Sand and snow.
Sand and snow?
Cool.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks for taking us.
Oh, absolutely.
For those that are asking, there is a bathroom on board. Very simple, but there is one. We are lucky because this is the actual kind of first ride with passengers, right, Mom? That's very exciting. You know where the PFDs are? I'm kidding.
Don't worry, the stairs are narrow and steep. It's like a double bonus.
Hey! Adventure. And this is
During
the
all
top.
of our cruises, after we leave the dock and we're out in the lake, all passengers will be able to come up here.
Oh, awesome. What do you think? It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. It's so quiet. Yeah. Oh, look at this view. Oh, it's gorgeous today. And there we go, the inaugural run with guests. That was super fun. Super smooth, super quiet. Ooh, steps. Thank you. All right, we're just hanging out, getting ready for the official naming ceremony. And actually the lady who named the boat is here too, so this is going to be exciting. I can read the Preston's part. Preston's Pass? Preston's Pearl?
Preston's Pearl.